Right, I didn't plan on doing this video, so I haven't bought my all bells and whistles microphone, so there's going to be wind. We've got a gun club in the woods over there shooting things, and we've got aeroplanes going over because we're underneath the Luton flight path, which is where I live. I'm just taking my dog for a walk. Where is he? There he is. This is Rocco. And I just sort of was walking and reflecting on all things RC really, and it got me thinking about, you know, the good old days, because when I look at the people that watch our channel, you know, you can go into the analytics, and most of the people that watch are people of my age, and Cole's age. You know, we're in our 40s, but I just wanted to have a little chat. Sorry about the wind. As I say, I didn't plan on doing this. A chat about the good old days and where we are now. So it seems in quite a good place with RC. But I started RC, I was about 14. Check the picture out. This is with my Marday Meteor many moons ago, and goodness me, it was awesome back then. You know, we did it because, well, looking back, I did it with my dad, my brother, and my dad used to work long hours as an electrician, and the weekends were ours, and we used to get out and race cars. We had no money, not much of it anyway, so we ran on a very, very tight budget, but it was our day. Sunday was our day. It was race day. Rostrum was nothing more than a couple of scaffold poles and a little bit of wood, a couple of planks here and there. No timing system. Grass track, which eventually kind of whittled its way down to dirt, and a couple of tyres. But we loved it, and I remember with fond memories just getting to the track. Even now, when I smell freshly cut grass, it reminds me of those days. What's the dog doing? Sniffing a brick. Fair enough. Just great memories, just absolutely fantastic memories for me. And my dad was probably my age back then. Now, obviously, I hope some of you can remember those good old days, you know. Cut to where we are now. I'm 40, what am I, 47? God, I'm nearly 50. My goodness me. And there's an old saying, and it says, life begins at 40. Well, okay, if they mean life gets real at 40, then I get what they're saying. I don't think anyone prepares anybody to be the age of 40 and upwards, because most of us might have children, jobs, mortgages. The stresses and strains of life just keep coming at you, as you're probably well aware. So I guess cut to the present day. RC, man, since starting the channel with Carl, it has been amazing. We've met some amazing people. We've been to some fantastic clubs. RC seems to be in a really good place right now, especially the old school scene. I mean, you've got the the Model Sport 50th anniversary today. By the time this video goes out, that'll be said and done. It looks like a stacked event. It looks really, really good. What do we got? John Weston, what a legend in the RC game. That man has put together, as you're all well aware, the iconic Cup of Revivals, which we've been part of for the last few years. And the atmosphere there, the people we've met, the support that we've got has been amazing. So yeah, nice one, John. You're a good man. And actually, it's a testament to what he does. I hear that the iconic series almost sold out within a day. I mean, crikey, what does that say to you? It says that this hobby that we all love so much is thriving, especially the old school scene. And you know, I think there's more reasons to be doing it. Just to get your race fix, is to get out, to meet like-minded people. Life can I'm sorry about the wind. I am ranting a bit, but I'm going to stop for a minute because it's less windy. As I say, I didn't bring my mic because I didn't plan, on making this video. But I guess what I'm trying to say is that RC is more than a hobby, especially for me at the age that I'm at. Just remember racing. I just got great memories, you know, from back in the day. And when I see sort of parents and kids on track, it's there's a little glint in my eye, and I just remember those fond memories that I used to have, you know, as a kid growing up. So I tell you who is doing it well. It's the guys over at the Mill End track. That is the first time I've felt nostalgic doing this RC journey at the age that I'm at now. You know, grass track, great fun vibe. They have got a timing loop there, which is really cool as well. We did our Popalong GP there last year, which was incredible. Great people, just a laugh. It was, you know, just getting straight back down to how it should be. Also in the summer, we've put together our little Popalong track that Carl and I do quite a lot of testing on. We got out of tyres, we just got use of a school field, and we go in there until it gets dark basically, and we just run all the cars that we've got. And again, really great fun. You might have seen that Carl and myself recently purchased the Cougar Classic. Now, it sounds funny and a bit bizarre, but that car has got a certain sound. You pick it up and you blip the throttle and it has a certain sound. And I'm telling you, as soon as I heard that sound, I was instantly transported to 1985 when it first came out, something like that. I thought, wow, it was a really good build. I really enjoyed doing that, and it took me back to where it all kind of began, because that was my second race car. It's quite nice coming back to it with a little bit of disposable income, and I mean a little bit. I'm not loaded, and you can throw a few bits at these cars and get them up and running and get them how you want, which is really, really nice. Anyway, look, it's just a short video. I just thought I'd have a chat about it, because I was just sort of walking along thinking it's been very, very important, and it remains to be a very important part of my life, Carl's life, and I know your lives as well. So big shout out and thanks to everybody who supports what Carl and I do. We only ever want to promote this hobby of ours and get bums on seats, get new people in, get people that, you know, don't go out. Maybe they got anxiety, I don't know, whatever, but get them out, get them meeting people, get them racing. Massive thanks to everybody who's helped, manufacturers, people in the know, everybody who helped, people that donate stuff to the channel, people that buy us a pie on the buy me a coffee thing, all them sort of things really, really help us to grow the channel, push the hobby and get it to a really, really good place, so we can help the shops, we can help manufacturers, we can, you know, all that sort of good stuff. I was going to sign off there, but I just thought of another good thing. Wheelspin Raceway, the new track that's opened up. My goodness me, what a place that is. We need more places like that. Maybe, I remember somebody talking about the Silverstone, what do they call it? Was it arena? Motor arena, was it called that? I never went there because I didn't do any RCing back then. I was kind of busy having kids and trying to sort of keep the wife happy and do my chores and things like that. So it may be nice to sort of get a centre of excellence or something like that up and running. I don't know, are we in a good enough place to do that? Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, there you go. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day with Rocco. Where is he? Rocco, what's this? He's a lurcher. I can't let him off the lead because he's a sight hound and he just wants to chase rabbits and things like that. So he has to stay on the lead, which is a bit of a shame because he's pretty quick. Anyway, there you go. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell. Keep up the RC journey. Enjoy your racing. We will see you at some great events coming up. We've got the MKGP, which we're thoroughly looking forward to. We'll be there. So come along, say hello, whatever. Going to be running some old school cars there, the Dave Cobra and the good old Cougar Classic, and a bit of four-wheel drive. I don't know, see how we get on. Yeah, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, share the videos, hit the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you on another video. Actually, hold on, before you go, little treat for you. I'm going to end this video with some uninterrupted race footage of some old school cars going around the Mill End Trek. So enjoy. Thank you.
Followed by Mark Dean in second place, followed by Danny Schumann in third place. The moment. Half 4. Half 7. Over a couple of corners with each other. 25 seconds left. And we're going to a final minute. Then hit 7, slightly so beautiful.